Hit the bottle means to start drinking alcohol, usually in excess. For example, after a long week, he decided to hit the bottle on Friday night. Hit the town means to go out and enjoy the nightlife. For example, we are going to hit the town to celebrate her promotion. Hit the lights means to turn them off or on. For example, could you hit the lights when you leave? Hit the books means to study hard. For example, I need to hit the books if I want to pass this exam. Hit and miss refers to something that's inconsistent or unpredictable. For example, the new restaurant is hit and miss. Sometimes the food is great, other times not so much. Hit it on means to begin or address something. For example, let's hit it on and start the project. Hit the roof means to become very angry. For example, when he found out, he hit the roof. Hit the hay means to go to bed. For example, I'm exhausted. I'm going to hit the hay. Hit the road means to start a journey or leave. For example, it's time to hit the road if we want to get there before noon. Hit the deck means to act quickly. For example, when the alarm went off, we had to hit the deck. Hit the jackpot means to have great luck or success. For example, winning that lottery was like hitting the jackpot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.